On the assembly lines in Detroit, a dramatic revolution is underway at lightning speed. Fierce competitors Ford and General Motors joining a global green movement, with GM making the boldest commitment. All of its models will be electric by 2035, just 14 years away. Not a lot of time. To make it happen, GM has spent $2.2 billion on this, Factory Zero. CEO Mary Barra gave us an exclusive tour.
How much consumer demand is there to go all electric?
Well, we see it increasing, and I think we're actually getting close to a tipping point where consumers now are much more willing to consider an all-electric vehicle because they see the benefit.
Look no further than the Hummer, an iconic American brand now going electric. 350 miles on a single charge.
This is the battery, 3,000 pounds of lithium-ion cells helping the Hummer to accelerate from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds.
GM and Ford both want a chunk of the battery car market dominated by Elon Musk and Tesla.
We believe in climate change. It's real, and so we know that transportation has a huge impact.
Factory Zero itself symbolizes GM's total shift from gasoline engines to batteries. Built in the 1980s, it was slated to be closed with 1,000 jobs on the line. Then a last-minute reprieve. Now a high-tech robotic hub with 2,000 employees, giving financial stability to workers like Monique Watson and her family.
I know that I'm going to be able to provide for my family, provide for my children.
One immediate hurdle, the global supply chain slowdown stretching to China. The computer chips used in every new car and truck come from Asia. Barra says the slowdown and shortages could last well into next year.
There'll probably be a small tail into 2023, but I think by that point in time, we'll get back to I'll call it a new normal.
Yeah, the new normal. In other words, the supply chain issues are going to last for a while, but computer chips are in everything these days, and so we're going to be all struggling with that demand and with the shortage. Guys, one last note. The infrastructure bill includes money to build out a network of charging stations nationwide, and so President Biden today will be talking about that benefit coming up. Guys, back to you.
All right, Tom Costello for us there. Tom, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.